Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Kejelam Meghalaya Lahkmen Rumboi oleh penpau kejeng Sokya halo kejeng hiar ke Nongpyniaid kam hak Skulbah NEHU. Hadin boleh kendo ikin hon boper NEHU hak akat arterek pula lengkot ar hajar ar pohon rio. Hak ba kino yalam kan NEHU ta kan NEHU Shuh ka KSU NEHU unit bat kiwe kilawan ban pensengau hak menteri halo kejeng iaka makin mat hak Skulbah NEHU. Hagajeng ekran bekelar patai kubor Lahkmen Rumboi oleh tu Vice Chancellor Profesor PS Chokla Shimladan hak kampus lapalat Saus Pasmi. Kebala penlong ya Skulbah banduna kabor bancem kirai badan kam. Namar kejeng bamdan Vice Chancellor Upro Vice Chancellor Shillong bat registrar kalakta ahado kabapenmi ke result kejeng siutulop bat kiwe kam academic. Wat upro Vice Chancellor ke Tura ru Shim lawan bancem ti kam jong acting Vice Chancellor. Lahkmen Rumboi ulat ho Shuh ke Sarkar Pedang, hagaba ulat ho Shuh Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Pedang ban penbet ik nega kendrum kenram. Ke Sarkar Jela kadang ibut dia nega report jok inquiry committee kalau adab IT kenang ban yo ya kajubab halor kijing e kibe kenduk mentah. Menteri ulaban bakane kejing thot ak skul ba NEHU ke kata ki college baro ha Meghalaya ba de Pulih Putih jong ki kena pulih ha ke nega than.
The association from Bthah, from NEHU, from NEHUTA, and the KSU NEHU unit. They come, as you know that for the past more than 400 days, there is no Vice Chancellor in the campus of NEHU. The Vice Chancellor, Professor P. Shukla, he have been out of station, as I said, for more than 400 days. So the NEHU decision in NEHU have become paralyzed. More so because of the resignation of the Pro-Vice Chancellor of NEHU. So this thing has become quite difficult for the NEHU to run. Our priority is that whatever may be the thing, that the universities should function and should not affect the student community in NEHU. But as of now, we learn that without even the pro-VC in Shillong campus, it is very difficult for declaration of result, for payment of wages, for sanctioning of different seminar and all, or for the, more importantly, for the declaration of result and other program of NEHU. So they come to apprise me, and as you know also, there is one pro-VC in Tura campus. As per the in NEHU, whenever there is no VC, the Pro-Vice Chancellor of will take over. But they inform me that the Pro-VC of Tura is not willing to come over to Shillong. So we have to find the solution. And I have informed my officers to arrange the meeting with the Pro-Vice Chancellor of Tura to see what is her view, so that the government main intention is that the program, the student community should not be at all affected in NEHU. Because if it is affected in NEHU, that means it affects all over the state, because many of the colleges are affiliated to NEHU. Even the scholarship of students also, it will be affected. And as you know, as of now, there is no registrar, it's totally, so to say, I myself, I don't know who run the NEHU and how they could run the NEHU. I have written to the Honorable Union Minister uh, on the 15th of December. I have tried to meet him. I will try again to have a meeting with him that a permanent solution could be arrived so that the functioning of NEHU, the premier university in India, could be the academic business and that running should be smooth. But for the present, we have to find a solution within the statute of NEHU. How? When there is no VC, the pro VC will be as acting uh, VC. But when the pro VC is not willing to come to Shillong, so how to find the solution? So I have told my officers to contact the pro VC in Tura and have the formal dialogue, the formal consultation, how this issue could be uh, could be resolved temporarily, and let the ministry ask, and when the ministry able to find the replacement, they may post brief. But we cannot wait for the day-to-day affairs of them. As I said that the it affects the student community, not only of NEHU but all the affiliate colleges. If the result could not be declared on time, if or the program of NEHU, and as we know now, the government of India or Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he really want to take the education into a new height. That's why a new education policy 2020 have been launched, and every day new circular from a different regulatory authority has been given to different state government, different university. But if there is no head, how to go with? So do it is a central university, I find that it is incumbent upon me to see that uh, this issue could be resolved uh, immediately for the benefit of the student community.